Let's go!
Man. All right.
Woohoo!
So this is the 6th annual Peck Environment Ride.
And what is that?
That is a 3-day ride that starts somewhere west of Philadelphia and ends up in Philadelphia.
And it's a bike ride.
And it's a bike ride.
And we do it, raise money for PAC, and really to honor the environment and to honor the beautiful scenery that Pennsylvania has, really all over the state. But we're focusing in the eastern part of the state.
No, we're the crew. I'm a crew member this year. I've been a rider for the past 5 years, and this year I decided to help out.
There's 3 cars, and we're pretty integral, I would say.
Yeah, we're, you know, I'm the sweep, so I'm on the back end of the riders, picking up anybody who needs help, helping out with flat tires, or if they need help getting up the hill. So, you know, to accommodate for everybody, because it is a very hilly course, other than today, but the last 2 days there's been a lot of climbs, and sometimes you need a little lift. Our goal is to keep them safe and keep them on course.
And keep them having a good time.
So PEC has been involved in a number of projects along the Delaware for quite a few years now, I would say at least over a decade. Right now we're at Glen Ford, which is a historic home on the Delaware River with a gorgeous view of the quite wide Delaware here. And adjacent to Glen Ford, we're working on the East Coast Greenway in Bensalem, which is just to the north, on making that connection to Maine, from Maine to Florida through Pennsylvania, making sure that's an off-road connection that everyone can ride.
I love to ride. I mean, it's a way to get out into the world on a bike and see what we can see that we can't see from the road.
Have you been up in this part before?
I've not on a bike, so this is great. I've been up this way on 95. I've been up this way on the roads, but not on a bike. You see so much more from a bike than you do from the road, so it's fantastic. The view of the river has been unbelievable.
You know, some of the PEC people back about 7 years ago got together and planned a bike ride in honor of the environment and in Pennsylvania. And one of the best parts about it is the camaraderie of the trip. Right now we're in beautiful Bristol Borough along the Delaware River, and it feels like we're in an international vacation spot. It's really nice.
The thing for me is that it's an opportunity to showcase all those places that give us a reason to work, the places that might need some work, but also just, you know, celebrate what the diversity is in the Commonwealth.
It's really great exploring new areas, and you can explore on a bike in a way you can explore in a car or riding on a train. It's you're really going past things at the right pace, stop where you need to stop. It's really an ideal way to see a great state.
Well, we just completed the 6th annual Pennsylvania Environmental Council Environment Ride. I'm glad to say that we had a great time and we had a safe time. Everybody is here at the Fairmount Waterworks overlooking the Schuylkill River in Center City, Philadelphia, and we're about to party. This year we had 30 people. We do 2 versions of our ride. So there's a 3-day ride. We had 16 participants in that, and we have a 1-day ride, and we had 10 participants in that, and then we had volunteers who helped us out along the way.
You going to do this again next year?
I hope everybody who's listening to this is going to be part of it. Absolutely, we will do it again. This was our first time to do the Delaware River as opposed to what we've done in the years past, which was from Lancaster into Center City. So we want to do this route again. We were able to show off some of PEC's work along the Delaware River, both the East Coast Greenway, the circuit, and the Delaware River Water Trail that we're very involved with.